In a telephonic conversation on Tuesday, Army Chief General Qamar Javed Bajwa informed Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif of the most recent developments in the search for the Army Aviation helicopter that went missing a day earlier, Geo News reported. The Prime Minister was concerned about the 6 missing Army personnel and jawans, including Lieutenant General Sarfaraz Ali, commander of the 12th Corps. Related items: Pakistan Army helicopter en route from Quetta to Karachi goes missing. Lieutenant General Sarfaraz Ali is a top professional soldier and a wonderful person, the Prime Minister said. He expressed concern for the safety of everyone on board. The Prime Minister also asked the nation to keep the brave Pakistani soldiers in their thoughts and prayers, and stated that the unfortunate incident has deeply saddened the entire country. These dutiful sons who helped flood victims have emerged as great examples of service, the Premier said. The Army Chief has been informing the Prime Minister about the ongoing search for the missing helicopter since last night. A Pakistan Army Aviation helicopter en route from Quetta to Karachi with important personalities aboard has gone missing, the Inter-Services Public Relations, ISPR, had announced in a tweet on Monday. The military's media wing said that the aviation helicopter was on a flood relief operation in Las Bela, Balochistan when it lost contact with Air Traffic Control, ATC. Six individuals were on board, including Commander 12th Corps who was supervising flood relief operations in Balochistan, the tweet said, adding that a search operation is underway. According to details available with Geo News, Corps Commander Quetta Lieutenant General Sarfaraz Ali, who was supervising the flood relief operations in the province, was also on board. Per the details aired by Geo News, Major Syed was piloting the helicopter while Major Talha was the co-pilot of the helicopter. The Director General of Coast Guards Brigadier Amjad, Engineer Brigadier Khalid, and Chief Naik Mudassir were also on board. The civil authorities and the Pakistan Army are currently busy with relief programs in the province as the heavy rain spell has wreaked havoc there, claiming 147 lives. Following the incident, the district administration said that a helicopter crashed in the vicinity of the Sasipanu Shrine, located near the Windar area. However, the ISPR is yet to confirm whether it was the same helicopter. Local residents say that the helicopter was seen flying low after which it disappeared. Meanwhile, it was reported that the incident took place minutes before sunset, Maghrib prayers. Deputy Inspector General Husdar Pervez Imrani said that local police teams are also trying to find the helicopter. The area consists of mountain ranges which are creating difficulties in the search operation. He further said that despite the difficulties caused by the terrain, Police teams are trying to search the helicopter on motorcycles as well. A joint rescue operation of police and Frontier Corps has been underway for the last 5 hours. Expressing concern over the disappearance of the helicopter, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif tweeted yesterday, "The disappearance of Army Aviation helicopter from Balochistan is alarming. The entire nation prays to Allah Almighty for the safety, security, and return of these sons of the country who came out to help the flood victims." Inshallah.